We woke up so early, guys, because of the alert again here in Qatar. Actually, Caro woke up so early this morning because she heard a lot of
Helicopter.
helicopters up in the sky. Then expected niyan pag may marinig kang maraming ganyan lumilipad-lipad. Yes, so an alert message again. Then few seconds after, ayun na naman. Daming maririnig ka naman na kalabog. So right now, actually, we're still waiting for the next message or alert na elevated na po. But as of now, wala pa rin. But again, we are still okay here. We're still safe here. So please continue praying for all of us, for world peace, and for the world leaders. Thank you, guys.